Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Chiaverina here, wishing the House of Experiments, better known as Hišo, a very happy birthday. What a wonderful 25 years it has been for the residents of Slovenia and others from around the world who have had the good fortune of visiting this amazing place. When I think of Hišo, its incredibly imaginative founder and leader Miha Kos and all those associated with the Science Center, I think of an institution with heart. All those involved with the birth and growth of Hišo care deeply about their mission and those that they serve. Miha and his talented staff demonstrate a joy in sharing their love of science that must be witnessed to be believed. It's energizing and uplifting to be around such a creative and kind group of people. Hišo's sphere of influence never stops growing. Beyond the walls of the Science Center, Hiška's marvelous mini traveling exhibits invite students in Slovenian and Croatian schools to experience the wonders of science. Through hands-on experiences, Hiška's arouse curiosity and impart critical thinking skills. The success of this expanding effort can be measured in part by the smiles on the faces of students as the exhibits allow them to explore and ask, what if? Being involved with Zanzibar, Hišo's truly amazing annual science extravaganza, has been one of the most rewarding and enjoyable experiences of my life. Whatever I say in this brief birthday wish doesn't adequately convey how much I've been affected by being involved with Miha, his team, and all the wonderful people with whom I've had the privilege of presenting with each year during Zanzibar. To all of you, my sincerest thank you. Happy birthday, Hišo. Here's to another 25 years of success.
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.